for the name of the user, the email ID, and everything to book that appointment. So first step was to check the availability. Second was to get the user's email. I've also specifically mentioned that ask the user to spell it out so that email is perfect. I mean, there is no spelling error in the email. Then ask the user's name and then a small description on what does the meeting will be regarding, right? And then uh, last step is to book the appointment at that particular time with all these details. So the transcriber voice and functions are as default. I haven't touched anything much. Functions, so these two functions I just talked about. Rest of the things I have just kept by default. Audio recording I have kept on, and all these are the variables that I have kept. I haven't yet kept the server URL. It's used for sending a server, sending the call details at the end of the end of call report and everything to the mentioned URL and all of that. So just to focus on only a few aspects, not be going in much detail in rest of the topics. Just the prompt that I gave it, and then we'll talk about the backend. So let's go to the backend. So we have three routes here, right? The first route is this one, which is uh, user asks book an appointment for me at 4 p.m. It first checks if 4 p.m. as well as 5 p.m., 4 to 4:30 and 5 to 5:30. But there is a slot of 4:30 to 5 p.m. So it will create an array of 4 to 4:30 and 5 to 5:30. And after creating that array, it then creates a JSON using that same array. And then it provides to LLM that uh, you will be provided by hosts busy time slots. First, convert these time slots from UTC to IST. So the Google Calendar date and time that it would have given, it was in the UTC format. So first step is to convert that into IST. And if it's, let's say, 9 o'clock, 9.0, then I've instructed it to give, for say for example, 9 a.m. and not 9.0, right? So very clear instructions to the LLM. If busy slot goes from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m., it means that there are no available slots because that's the working hours. You will also send the date, do the calculation for each pair for each slot. Your output will only tell the busy slots. You will be given pairs of start date and end date and time. First convert the time to IST and then the output the busy time slots. So for example, using that JSON, we'll get two meetings, let's say 4 to 4:30 and 5 to 5:30. This output, after going into through this LLM, will give us that the user is booked for 4 to 4:30, 5 to 5:30. So that's the the appointment, right? So that is all. You will get all the blueprints and is in fact Vapi assistant details as well in the description below. That is all, and subscribe for more content. We create AI voice bots for a variety of industry and use cases. And if you want to learn more, then subscribe or you can connect to us as well. Thank you.